and welcome to this TipPad InDesign tutorial where we'll learn to create an automatic numbering of the titles in a document. First of all, create a new document. We don't need to make any adjustments for what we're going to learn on this tutorial. Go to the text tool and make a text box. Inside, we'll write the various titles and subtitles our document has, as a test. Once we have all the titles, we can put them in order, changing the style of text, the spacing, and even the font. In this case, I'll use the same font, slightly larger, with a different style, and adapting the spacing. Once the adjustments are made to our title, click on Paragraph Style while holding down Alt. This ensures that our new style of paragraph is created with the same characteristics as the text. Name it Title 1. Now apply this to the modified text so that all the modifications we make to the paragraph style will apply to this style that still appears as basic paragraph. Now we'll do the same to the second and third level titles. If your version of InDesign is a recent one, you can click on Apply Style to Selection. This saves us having to apply the style we created to the text in question, as we did for the first title. Once the three styles are created, we'll adjust them to make some automatic numbering. Double-click on the Title 1 style and go to Bullets and Numbering. Let's go to List Type and we'll select Numbering. And in Numbering Style, and this is just a personal preference, we'll substitute the M space for an N space, deleting this one here first. With this additional menu, we can adjust the variables of the numbering style without having to remember all the possible expressions that InDesign offers. And with this, Title 1 is finished, so now we can move on to adjusting the styles for Title 2 and Title 3. So we'll go to Title 2 and we'll go back to Bullets and Numbering. Now, it's really important that we select a Level 2 title as we're underneath Level 1. We'll change the M space to N space, and now comes the important part where we make the process automatically refreshable. So we'll go to the beginning of our expression and we'll type a circumflex followed by one full stop. This expression means that in front we'll have the same number as the previous title of Level 1. It might sound a bit tricky, but on screen you can see exactly what I'm doing. And now we'll do the same with Title 3 as we did with the previous ones, but you just have to remember that this is a Level 3 style. For this title, you need to use this expression, as you see below. From here onwards, we can create more title styles and assign them different levels. You just need to apply the logic we used here. To finish up, it's very important that you have the text boxes linked. As you can see, I've made a new text box, and as I haven't applied the paragraph style title 1 to the new title I've written, it doesn't continue from the last number of the previous box. So for the boxes to keep numbering, they need to be linked. To do that, we need to click on this box here and link it to the next box. Separate the text by pressing Enter, and that's that. We have our next title where the numbering does continue. So I hope you found this tutorial useful and you had fun. I'll see you next time for another TutPad tutorial. Bye!